Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change country in Google Play. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you would do is, first of all, you will go ahead access your Google Play app on your mobile phone itself. Once you have done so, let me go back to the home section. Here in this section you can find all the recommendations for you, and then afterwards you're going to go ahead, tap on this profile icon on top right corner of your screen. Now simply go ahead, tap on the settings icon given below. Now tap on this general option on top, and then you're going to tap on this general account notification preference. Tap on this account and device preferences below, and now it will show you the option called country and profiles. You can see we have our country over here, and if you would like to change it, and you can say you should change your play country only when you move to new country. So if you would like to change your country, you'll have to genuinely move to another country for it to access and give you the option for you to change your country. And if you may see content relevant to the general areas that you are in based on your IP address, learn more. So this is the way you can go ahead, see this. You have to simply have to move to another country. For you to change it, you will find that option over here for you to do so. So this will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.